Hello friends, my name is Dr. Huma Hassan and today I am going to talk on feminization of workforce. See, UPSC is very particular with respect to women and their issues. So you always have to develop some critical thinking. We need to develop our own understanding with respect to women related issue. So we can write some points, right? So you can say that the globalizing of economic production. So because of globalization, what is happening? Together with the spread of information technology is altering the nature of the job most people do. So definitely this is what even the Manuel Castrol, Daniel Bell have argued, that because of globalization, what is happening now, the working nature is changing. Okay, so we can always start like that. Then you say that the proportion of people working in blue collar jobs in industrial countries has progressively fallen. Okay, now we know that we do have a lot of alternative works like gig economy, and people are working in a different context. So the nature and the definition of work and work from home also has changed. So we know that nowadays the social organization of work in post-capitalist society is changing. So how do we have to relate women's position in this point? So you would say that if we'll talk about factories, so fewer people work in factories than before. Now we have got new jobs opportunities, and we have been created in office and services, supermarkets and airports. Many of these new jobs are filled by women. So you would say that female participation has increased recently, and because of that, you would also find that the challenges with respect to their security economically, politically, and their physical security is also a matter of debate nowadays. Now, since the opportunities which we women have now get, now we are working outside home. Okay, earlier we were working 24/7 at home. Now we are working and we are getting payment out of it. But now you would see that how difficult it is to compete in the centuries old male dominated society. So the kind of work you are doing and the kind of work other male people are doing, your colleague is doing, they are getting more respect. Okay, they are getting more